Welcome back to Learn with Larry Fatima and Assalamu alaikum. We were discussing spinal cord. We reviewed the basic structure and for a quick overview, here are the pictures. हमने देखा कि क्या क्या basically होता है white matter, gray matter and the nerve roots, the dorsal root ganglion. Then we saw the lamina division and the two main nuclei present, substantia gelatinosa and nucleus proprius. And then we did the tracts present white matter में a quick overview. So the ventral horn is responsible for motor neurons or motor function, and the cell body is inside the CNS. The dorsal horn is responsible for sensory, and now we will be doing the sensory system. The cell body is present outside in the dorsal root ganglion. So sensory systems में there are two types of tracts. One is the dorsal column medial lemniscus and the other one is the anterolateral. We'll start off with the dorsal column. अब हम जो भी सिस्टम करेंगे हर सिस्टम में neurons की synapses होंगे. In sensory system we have first order neurons, second order and third order. ठीक है. एक कंपैरिजन मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. मोटर में आपको अपर मोटर न्यूरॉन और लोअर मोटर न्यूरॉन्स हो गए. एएनएस में यूल हैव प्री गैंग्लियोनिक पोस्ट गैंग्लियोनिक. बस साइनेप्सिस के पहले और बाद के नाम को डिफरेंट कर दिया फॉर ईच सिस्टम. Now, if we're starting off with the dorsal column medial lemniscus, आपको सबसे पहले पता होना चाहिए it is responsible for which type of sensations. The sensation it is responsible for are pressure, touch and proprioception. Similarly, fibers भी साथ में लिख लेते हैं 1A, 1B, 2A beta fibers. Okay, so for example, you had a touch sensation on your hand. What happens is कि यहाँ से nerve stimulation जाती है. This nerve passes through the dorsal root ganglion towards the dorsal horn. The medial lemniscus, dorsal column, lateral or medial the fasciculus cuneatus और fasciculus gracilis. अब मैं बताती हूँ आपको explain करती हूँ डिटेल में. Do not worry. So ये यहाँ से nerve directly pass करती है ganglion से and goes to the dorsal column. This one is a sensory ganglion और इसमें synapse नहीं होता. In dorsal root ganglion the synapses are absent. ठीक है, it is just a relay station of cell bodies. This is important for your MCQs. ठीक है, dorsal root ganglion में synapse नहीं होता. So this one is the first order neuron. ये first order neuron आता है और ये सीधा जाता है आपके spinal cord में. Spinal cord is where the synapse happens. That is the dorsal horn. So ये यहाँ पे synapse हुआ और उसके बाद this neuron travels upwards towards the medulla. Medulla is the part of the brain. If this is the part of your brain, the cortex and everything, ये यहाँ पे ब्रेन स्टेम है, ये पॉन्स है, ये मेडुला है और ये नीचे से स्पाइनल कॉर्ड शुरू हो गई है. So this one when synapses और ये सीधा डायरेक्ट जाता है मेडुला ऑब्लोगेंटा में. ठीक है, this is the second order neuron. Now in medulla this one crosses over. ठीक है, आपको हर जगह से जा रहे होंगे, लेफ्ट और राइट दोनों जगह से जा रहे होंगे, जिस भी जगह का होगा. अब ये फर्स्ट ऑर्डर न्यूरॉन हो गया, साइनैप्स हुआ, यहाँ से सेकेंड ऑर्डर न्यूरॉन हो गया, मिडुला में गया, क्रॉसिंग ओवर हो गई. ठीक है, ये क्रॉसिंग ओवर मिडुला में होती है एंड दीज क्रॉसिंग ओवर और दिस पार्ट स्पेसिफिकली इज नोन एज internal cuate pipe and these are then carried towards the thalamus and then to the cortex. So from the medulla or medulla, I don't know the exact pronunciation, I'll check. This nerve is when after the crossing over, the second order neuron goes upward in the thalamus in the ventroposterolateral nucleus. Thalamus की वीडियो देखें आपको समझ लग जाएगी what we're talking about in the nucleus. Here the second synapse occurs और synapses के बाद this is projected into the cerebral cortex for passing on the information. ठीक है, so synapse हो गया, that means these are the this one, ये इतना portion, these are the third order neurons. I hope आपको ascending tract की समझ आई होगी, which is for now the dorsal column only. First order neuron from the sensation, for example a touch or a pressure sensation, carried through 1A, 1B or whatever. We'll talk about 1A. 1A fiber through the dorsal root ganglion into the dorsal column, synapses happen. Second order neuron is then carried upwards towards the medulla, where there is a crossing over forming internal arcuate fibers to the thalamus, and then there is synapse creating third order neurons which are projected into the cerebral cortex via what? Internal capsule. So thalamus से internal capsule and then to the cerebral cortex. अब thalamus में specifically VPL nucleus and cortex में specifically the postcentral gyrus, the somatosensory area. सेरेब्रल कॉर्टेक्स पे, थैलेमस पे डिटेल वीडियोस हैं जिसमें ये एरियाज कौन से हैं ये क्लियरली डिस्क्राइब्ड हैं. You can view those and you will be clear about this. So when now if you're asked in exam to draw this pathway, you can simply make a flow chart and you can write it down. So first order neuron, dorsal root ganglion through dorsal root into the dorsal column, synapse, upward second order neurons towards the medulla, crossing over internal arcuate fibers towards then to the thalamus, then synapses, internal capsule, cerebral cortex. इसी तरह से flow chart में लिख दोगे, you'll get all your marks. First, second and third order neurons को भी आपने लिख देना है कि यहाँ से यहाँ तक first होगा, यहाँ से यहाँ तक second होगा. I can write it down for you as well. So pressure 1A fibers. सिर्फ एक example के साथ लिख रही हूँ, you have to write all of those. Okay, so I have written it down for you as well, and you can just take a screenshot, write it with you. As it is exam mein likh denge, so you will get all your marks. Now, one more thing I'd like to add over here. Dorsal column is divided into two parts. One of it is fasciculus cuneatus, and the other one is fasciculus gracilis. Let me show you as well. This one, जो अंदर की तरफ है, that is fasciculus gracilis, और जो बाहर की तरफ है, that is cuneatus. You can see it in this diagram as well. This one is gracilis, this one is cuneatus. So इसकी significance क्या है? Fasciculus cuneatus जो है ये T5 and above levels पे present होता है, and this is responsible for carrying sensation for the upper limb. Lower limb की जहाँ पे बात होगी वहाँ पे gracilis आएगा, ये T6 तक होता है सिर्फ, ठीक है? This is till T6. T6 के बाद you will see both fasciculus cuneatus and gracilis. T6 से नीचे नीचे you can only see fasciculus gracilis. This point is very important from MCQ point of view. सिर्फ एक dorsal column present है, that is fasciculus gracilis, that is at the T6 level या उससे नीचे के जो levels हैं, क्योंकि सिर्फ lower limb से sensation होगी. जैसे ही वो ऊपर जाएगा obviously lower limb वाली ने तो ऊपर जाना ही है, साथ में मिल जाएगी upper limb वाली, तो ऊपर जाके fasciculus cuneatus भी होगा. और arrangement इनकी कैसे है? Fasciculus gracilis is present medially and this is present laterally. This arrangement is very important from the MCQ point of view as well. So इसे याद रखो कि most of the women show their grace via their legs. So grace is associated with legs and gracilis. Now let's discuss a few MCQs. The sense of bladder fullness is the pressure sensation and it is carried via the dorsal column, medial lemniscus. ठीक है, this is an MCQ. If the patient falls when the eyes are closed, that is the proprioception which is not working. The column responsible will be dorsal column, medial lemniscus. Synapses किस में absent होते हैं? Synapses are absent in the dorsal ganglion. This is also an MCQ. Medial lemniscus is formed by the decussation of internal arcuate fibers. This crossing over is known as decussation. So this one, इसको क्या कहते हैं in medical terms? That is decussation, and this forms medial lemniscus. Just learn this. Now, if there is decreased proprioception only in the lower leg, अब अगर lower leg उसने mention कर दिया, इसका मतलब है we will tick the option which says nucleus, fasciculus gracilis. ठीक है, तो leg अगर specify कर देगा तो gracilis is your answer. This is all about dorsal column, medial lemniscus, the sensory part. Now we will discuss the anterolateral one.